In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Instagram. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look out for, and a few helpful tips so your first live stream goes as smoothly as possible. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to go live from. It also helps to check that your internet connection is stable, either on Wi-Fi or mobile data, so your stream doesn't lag or disconnect. Once you're on the main home screen, look to the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This is the same button you might use to create posts or stories. When the creation menu appears, you'll see different options like post, story, and others. Here, tap on live to switch into the live streaming mode. You'll now be taken to the live preview screen. Here, your camera will open and you'll see yourself, just like a video call. Take a moment to frame your shot. Make sure the lighting is good, your background is tidy, and your phone is positioned securely so it doesn't fall over during the stream. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a space where you can add a title or description for your live. Use this to quickly explain what your live is about, like Q&A session or behind the scenes. A clear title helps viewers understand why they should join and stay. Before you actually go live, you can also check available settings, such as choosing your audience if Instagram offers that on your account, or turning off notifications and sounds from other apps so you're not interrupted. If you want, plug in headphones with a microphone to improve your audio quality. When you're ready to start, tap the button in the center of the screen to begin your live broadcast. Instagram will show a short loading message as it connects, and then you'll be live. Viewers can join, comment, and react in real time. As people come in, greet them, interact through the chat, and keep an eye on any questions or feedback. When you're done, tap the end button at the top of the screen and confirm that you want to end the live video. Instagram may then give you options to save or share a replay, depending on the current features available. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and you're all set. That's the complete process for going live on Instagram from your phone.